Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I got another order in from Fat Quarter Shop. So let's jump in and so I've been kind of running behind. We've been a little bit crazy. Honestly, we're snowed in right now. And I've got 2 sick kids. So I figured, why not? We're gonna open this up and see what we got. I kind of think I don't know, it's an over-under, right? Like a bet on what is coming. I kind of think this is probably the dragon fruit blocks because the squares are not even. It doesn't feel like a fat quarter grouping. So am I right? Am I not right? I don't know. I'm right. Oh, I like these colors. Okay, I'm sure Kimberly Jolly is like not so happy about it. But look at those purples, you guys. I love it. Now that's a really bright green, but this is going to be really fun. So this is month 5. I'm going to be posting the tutorial for month 5 shortly, month 4 shortly rather, and then this one's coming along. So I do have month 4 finished. I've got the tutorial ready to go for you guys. I just need to do some editing, get it up and running. So let me show you all these fabrics. Okay, so this is our month 5 dragon fruit block of the month. And definitely some really pretty purples and some really bright yellow green colors. I'm excited to hop into this one. Okay. So here are the blocks we're going to be making this month. So we've got 4, 4, 4, and 4. So that'll be nice and easy. So a square and a square, that one's going to be really fast. Our courthouse step friends, and then 2 of our log cabins. And I think, beyond cutting, that's going to be the longest step. The rest of this is going to be pretty straightforward. We'll have the 6.5, 6.5, and 6.5. So for these 3, remember on the last 2 rounds, I like to make that last strip a little bit fatter just to give us some more wiggle room by about 1/4 of an inch. So I have not seen this one before. I feel like we've had it maybe in some warmer orangey kind of tones, really pretty, floral, purple, and like almost periwinkle. Really nice. And I feel like this is part of the neon line. Maybe not. This is called Honesty. This one's called Dahlia. But again, we've seen that stripe just in some different colors. Very fun. And then this is my favorite background for forever, although we've mostly seen it in cream. Now we're seeing it in this pink peachy color. This is called Blush, but very fun. I love all these selvages. Are you guys collecting your selvages? Are you going to make a selvage quilt with this? Because I think I am. Pretty fun. Ooh, I like this a lot. So we've had a lot of this kind of wood grain look, but I feel like it's not been two-tone like this, where it's got the pink and the purple or the periwinkle kind of mixed together. Very nice. And we've got a nice polka dot. Okay, I'm totally going to age myself here. Who remembers pogo balls? They were like the ball that you would hold between your feet, and like there was a plastic platform around them and you could jump on them. So I had a pogo ball that was purple around the outside with a green ball in the center. I will do my darndest to find a picture of that and put it here for you guys so you know what I'm talking about if you're not a child of the 80s and 90s. But that's my pogo ball. That's my pogo ball. And another piece of that floral, but in a different colorway. I really like that one. That one's called Spring. And then we've got some more of this kind of wood grain natural feel called Emerald. I like that a lot. And I feel like we've seen this one before. We have. This was month 1, I think. Kiwi is what this one is called. So it has different fruit. pretty linear. So it's working out well in some of the blocks, but you might want to fussy cut it a little bit more to have them centered. I've kind of just go with the flow. I'm cutting out my blocks and I haven't worried about it too much, but that may be something that we consider on this one because that's oh, look at that selvage, you guys. Look at that. How cute is that? They're like leopards or some kind of big cat that's scary. That's fun. Okay. And more of my favorite background of all time because I just love it. How much did we get this month? Oh, it's a fat quarter. Okay. I think last time we got a width of fabric, which just made me smile. And then last but not least, I'm going to move that aside so it doesn't cause too many shadows. We have our wood grain in this really bright, fun green. So I will iron this out and get pictures for you guys. I know sometimes it doesn't always show up on film, but I'm really pleased with this box as well. I think these are going to be some more fun blocks to build. You know, nothing we haven't done before, but definitely a little bit to think about if you want your stripes to line up specifically, and the rest of it is just going to be easy peasy. So I'm really enjoying this sew along. I hope you guys are too. Okay, guys, that's it for month 5 of our dragon fruit unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed this. I certainly am so excited to be sewing this one out. It is so much fun. Every little piece is different. As you can see on my design wall, I've kind of been tinkering with the layout. This is definitely not the quilt in the pattern. It is wildly different, and every month we get new blocks and I add new things and I can make new shapes. I mean, I was kind of looking at it today going, gosh, what if I made a block that had this 1, 2, 3, 4? If I put this as the 4th, and then I pulled back the this one to still have it, so I could do the 4th purple and the 4th blue, and maybe this is all this background fabric. There are so many possibilities here. It is endless, and I know that's true of any of our quilt stuff, but I am really enjoying it. And thank you so much to Fat Quarter Shop for showing us these different layouts, because it's really fun to see and work with all of these different fabrics and patterns. If you do like any of these unboxing videos or some of my other tutorials, please hit that like and subscribe, and definitely head over to our private Facebook group. I love getting to see what you guys are working on. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Thank you.